A few moments later.
More them fi understood. When God good, God good. Me a give him praise just like me should. When God good, God good.
2,000 years later.
Nobody can take away Cartel's impact in dancehall, right? Cartel changed dancehall. But let's not forget that he quickly snatched that crown from Beanie Man himself. He
Bumbo rascal. Jamaica, stop!
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
And Unu Gaza fans, let me just tell you something real quick. Go and go suck your mother and your daddy too. Then you can suck my body as well. Because...
Jesus, please! It's like, no man! No man!
Alkaline did his own thing. He said, fuck paying homage to anybody. Why? And when
You did who? All of them are call up me name forget the eye. Me not give them no eye. They're going dead for hungry.
They all know to put the Masicka Cartel of a night song. To the 18th August. Monday out for done. Some out for done and can't find it song all now.
One eternity later.
If Vanessa Bling fit dead, our Vibes Cartel should have went beat Vanessa Bling and kill her.
Damn! Like my teeth are hot. Masicka been around the place, so I'm give Masicka and props. So right now I'm gonna take Masicka for give Alkaline and props. Alkaline, if you go in the studio, go plug him at the studio and see if he can get back some hit song out there now. You understand? And Masicka time now. Masicka put in the work, so now for
You remove your pussy wall and come down.
Tony Mataran. Vibes Cartel fans them in them feelings right now. The guys are in them feelings. But you know.
Why are you crying?
May I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
People, you know a thing set, you know. Yeah, man. People. Yeah, man. Alkaline in Barclays Center. It was a moment. You see me? And especially it was a moment for the new generation, the young generation. You understand? Seem like how when him forward in the game. And, you know, that door there where, yeah, man, so it's a great look. You see me for the J, you don't know Alkaline, the youngest dancehall artist to sell out the Barclays Center. You understand? Yeah, man, but it was a moment, man, nah, like, he sold right out. You see me, 15,000 plus. You see me, make we see what I go on, no? Yeah man, the young gens them man. You see me? Yeah man, so people me say a brother, yo, Alkaline, girl good song, very impactful, you know. More you want a brother when me remix it. Yeah man, remix it in that, yo, we not forget these people.
More them fi understood. When God good, God good. Me a give him praise just like me should. When God good, God good. Give praise every day, me not afraid, yeah.
Yo, yo, them people are not easy, but you sure say, yo, girl good, yo, that song, yeah, very impactful.
And I himself with the alibi come like some just done me and
alright, people, make we hear where Sis Trina say no?
Nobody can take away Cartel's impact in dancehall, right? Cartel changed dancehall. But let's not forget that he quickly snatched that crown from Beanie Man himself. He self-proclaimed king of dancehall. So why when Masicka call himself GOAT, it's a problem? And why is it Tommy Lee Sparta is the one that's the mouthpiece for Cartel? And Unu Gaza fans, let me just tell you something real quick. Go and go suck your mother and your daddy too. Then you can suck my body as well. Because...
How will they bombard this? How about I go on here, sir? Chano.
Me already know you feel right that in the comment. Moving on now. That's why I respect Alkaline. I respect Alkaline a lot as an artist as well. Alkaline did his own thing. He said, fuck paying homage to anybody. Why? And with Masicka, he actually did pay respect to Cartel. He was performing at Cartel's concert. It was Cartel who allowed Tommy Lee Farta to start saying whatever the fuck he wanted about Masicka. And you know what? I'm so proud of Masicka and Alkaline for selling out Barclays. Thank you, Cartel, for opening the doors to allow these artists to see that they too can do the same. Instead of being a fucking gatekeeper and having your little old ass fans.
I think you're wrong this, you know. I think you're wrong this, you understand? It's not Vice Cartel. Alkaline announced your arena before Vice Cartel. So anyway you take it, he would be in a Vice Cartel. They'd have to do a retrial. Alkaline would still be in the arena same way. Uno don't know. You understand? Alkaline announcing an arena before Vice Cartel do an arena. You understand? So, that's not open doors. You see me? At the end of the day, artists been at the arena already. You see it? Uno just not tune in to what go on because the prison hype kind of brainwash you. You understand? So uno see what go on. You see it?
Talking all this crap about, them can't do it, them can't do it. One of Gaza fan just full of old man watching a next man dancing in panty on TikTok.
And first of all, Vice Cartel can't open the doors. If anybody if say open doors to arena, like that been going on and Buju Banton found out, show everybody. So when I understand, I think uno give one person credit for everything. I just that are the problem.
Get the fuck out my blood clot face. Big up Masicka, big up Alkaline. I'm very proud of them. It's the same in a rap game, it's the same in any industry. You pass the torch to the next in line. And I'm sorry about Cartel.
Many of the people today,
Big up Ambassador. Check him over TikTok there.
18th August. And I'll know. Say I'll know to put the Masicka Cartel for night song. Today 18th August. Monday we done. Some of it done and can't find it song I'll know. You can never pass. We're up with them. Our guys headquarters are really want him. I know you know what about Carter. I agree to that ever. And I mention of it, the crux side is so no. But I won't bowl everything again, saying just come back TikTok. Foolish youth, I really want him. You can never pass over this one. And then man not talk about Masicka, the greatest thing ever walk. Greatest thing. I can't find it song. I'm off just load the music number. Full time can load music now.
Well, Alkaline drop a album. Them say only one song out of album, Girl Good, right? Vice Cartel drop a album, God and Time. We not to see nothing. We not hear no hit song. We not see it go on with nothing. Well, Masicka drop theme. Let we see. It drop when? Last Friday. So make we see how long it's go really forward out of it. Like Girl Good. You understand?
I haven't found any song in a sense. I can't tell you 10, 11 songs a month. I still can't find any song. And then I hear people say, yo, God, I really need to find a hit song, you know. Oh, no bum buckler. I don't know, I want to look body of fuck. But big up the man at the moment, the vendor bar, see me? The key man. I'm gonna say then go to Barkley and get cake. I mean, after I've said, a key we get. Me I want the key and be things. So big up Alkaline and big up Kerry and the entire team. We make it possible for the all about that chilling whole place. This Saturday, Trinidad, not normal. Excited.
Yeah man, so people Saturday forward in, you don't know 22nd of August, you don't know summer stage, Alkaline go dead in a Trinidad. Nah, go normal people.
That show it more than anything else because I feel like that show there is a statement. That show there actually that will be a statement. Or Summerfest, it will be a statement to the entire close of the summer for the Caribbean. Look out, Trinidad people, remember, I don't take it. Alkaline, Trinidad, Bumbo, Clad. Girl Good challenge, la challenge still on.
TikTok, me really want to ask a question here. If Vanessa Bling fit dead, our Vibes Cartel should have went beat Vanessa Bling and kill her back in the past. Because Vanessa Bling go perform for Masicka show. Vanessa Bling and Masicka never have no problem from long time. Them do collab from way back when, from about 2017, 2018. So them good long time. And she go support a musical brother.
Yo, I'm just glad say everything I expose, you know, when it comes to the Gaza, you know. I'm telling you already, you know. Why don't feel like say, that's why Alkaline, I tell you say Alkaline come change the game. Because of this, I'm glad you know I see it now in our internet era. I see him thing did a go on before Alkaline forward. You see the bring down and the dissing and everything. See there, the one Vanessa Bling for dead now. Because she go up on a Masicka show. That's why I try to show you say the badness, the mentality of some of them Gaza people here. That's why I can't rate some of them. Because if them alone, the industry crash. Remember me tell you.
Always have a good relationship. And because of that, the Gaza fans, them wish death upon Vanessa Bling. Say Vice Cartel should have when I beat them in the past, should have beat Vanessa Bling and kill her. Just because she go support Masicka. No, me as a blogger, did a blog for the Gaza once upon a time. And me choose to blog wherever me feel like I say me a blog for Dancehall. It so happen that's me see Masicka be a fight him again. And see Alkaline be a fight them again. And me say you know what, a full time to put the Gaza at be. And because me they over this so
no, but J Progress, remember say you did dead with them, you know. When it comes to Alkaline and the Masicka thing, you know. You see me? But you see say, yo, yes or just no. Good, the energy is like You're supposed to support the music, support the culture, but it's like, you're looking at yourself and you say, yo, why me I bring down them artists here? Like, what them do? Yeah, them not this me. Why me I bring them down or all of them something? Because you listen to them music. You understand? You listen to them music. So why you do this? At that you start. Because that's common sense, you know. You see me? Enough of them now have a brain where you have to say, yo, why me I do this? Why me I fight that youth? What him do? You understand? Yeah, man.
For the other side. A man, a Gaza, man, I go look at me and tell me, say, man, fi take me away, beat me and kill me just because me a uplift Masicka thing and a big up Masicka and a blog towards Masicka side and the vendetta side. The big question I ask you, if you don't hate people so much just because they must support Masicka, what you would I do to Masicka? Remember, no Masicka this now, you know. These are just Masicka supporters. Vanessa Blink, I'm sure perform, you know, want Vanessa Blink for dead. Me a blog towards Masicka, you know, want J Progress for dead. The question I really want to ask, what would I do Masicka? If people were supporting him and hate them so much, what about the artist himself? What would I do to him? Masicka, one thing me can tell you Masicka out there in the road. Watch your 3 points youth. This is no musical Masicka. Them want you dead in a real life Masicka. Take it from J Progress. Masicka. Them want you to dead in a real life. Remember that the Gaza, them want you to dead in a real life. And them would take your life anytime. Masicka, don't think that this is just musical. Remember when me tell you that.
Right now,
So people want to know you that, brother.
Dancehall I get mad right now, because Masicka say more of the city for himself. And right now the speed of Masicka depend father, I don't think Masicka for Alkaline forward. I tell you the truth. Because the people must say Masicka for go war Alkaline, can free the Alkaline and this and that. Here what go on. Alkaline if you go back in the studio right now, go put in some more work. You understand? You need some more work, you understand? Cause we understand what I'm doing, you know, to make sure he can stay relevant up to today, you know, the body of the work, you know. Because I don't want to take Alkaline thing for some boy thing in the father.
You know, when I confused, you know, I realize, you know, when I run with hype. Hype when I run with and what trend. You understand? When I confuse me, G. When I confuse. Because first of all, Vendetta fan now get up say, yo, Masicka for war Alkaline. You understand? Or afraid of Alkaline. And the Gaza said that. You see me? And the Gaza said that. Not Alkaline or not. Me not hear the crux them or ray. You see me? Me I hear the Gaza them I say, yo, see the how the man go off a Skilly Bang and Tammy Lee and him can't go off a Alkaline. And them I say that. You understand? So Vendetta, I don't think Vendetta even care about war in Masicka heavily. Because Vendetta, Alkaline up on a different level from Masicka, my G. I tell you, say I just hype on the run with it now. Trick and I get trick and I not even see the way how the time I pass 10 step I down. I not see. I they run a one part around this, my G. You understand? You see when all of this die down I bit, yo, we not go see what go on, man. Just wait.
See the body of the work when put in, it make him relevant up to now. But right now, Masicka, no need to give no forward. And Masicka are in the place right now. Masicka hot like Matiba hot. Masicka been around the place, so I give Masicka and props. So right now, I'm gonna take Masicka for give Alkaline and props. Alkaline if go in the studio, go plug him at the studio and see if he can get back some hit song out there now. You understand? And Masicka time now. Masicka put in the work, so not load the man. You understand? You know, you say Gaza ship sinking and I be a man of war right now.
So wait there, you talk about hit song. Tell me which song for the year where Masicka have bigger than Girl Good. Tell me which song. Tell me which song right now where Masicka have when dropping at this year where I go get the forward where Girl Good get. Name it. I'm telling you already now. Una na look on the music una judge off in a G. Una just a judge off of some Masicka drop him album and the Barclays Center same like what Alkaline do. Alkaline show him the blueprint. Remember say Masicka usually drop album at December time, you know. You understand? So just remember that, my G. You see it?
Tony Mataran. Vybz Kartel fans them in them feelings right now. The Gaza in them feelings. But you never tell no lie. Let me tell you something. You see the Gaza supporters them. I just some all. Me never know how to describe them. Because if you always notice, this is the reason why the corruption and the violence and them thing they preaching a dancehall because of Gaza supporters. They are not anybody who support music really or dancehall really. None of them are just some man who love man and just love Vybz Kartel. Simple as that, but them not support the music or them not try push the music. But no way. You understand me? I say that's why them not go buy nothing at all more than chat. That's all. If anything, Gaza supporters them just make life.
Gaza don't support Vybz Kartel when it comes to music. Them only support when it come to a competition where, alright, say Alkaline drop an album and Vice Cartel drop after. Yeah, then we go bite because of Alkaline album. You say Vice Cartel drop a project and there's no other artist that drop album, them not bite, them not care. Them only bite for size up with the other rest of young artists them. That's why them bite. I see him in 2016. A Cartel been a drop album, sell all 8 copy. Gaza never support him with him album them. As since Alkaline drop New Level and Lock and so comes them go bite because them a say, yo, can't make them boy do more than we, you know. You understand? Same like now, Alkaline drop him album March. Them go drop album in our July or June. I think June. Them drop album. So they make sure we support it. This and that way. Because they don't want to look bad. Because if Cartel sell less than Alkaline, you know that a problem. Them don't want that. That are the home. Remember now, Vice Cartel drop much album before they come from prison, you know. One no hit the billboard. Then when you check, you can't know how much the next one sell. You understand? So that's how it go. Only when it comes to Alkaline and then no Masicka add on the list. You see it. Them not support Vice Cartel naturally. Them no care. Vice Cartel a drop song and race. They matter about Vice Cartel song them. They no care about song. Just when them for ready for bring down artists.
For Vibes Cartel and make people hate Vibes Cartel more than more. Because fear is fear. 3/4 of the things that has been said out here. I know Vibes Cartel say it. It's not Vibes Cartel say it, you know. And little old idiot supported them, you know. Some little clown, you know, some dunce and idiot and bagaboo, some caveman, some batman, some all different type of man. It make you wonder, yo, Tony Mataran, to tell you the truth, a real thing you talk. Me know them not go happy about it. Me know them not go like it, but a real thing you talk. You could have been in music for all these years, Tony Mataran, and don't know Gaza stay. Just like what you say, and like what me tell them, Gaza is the corruption of dancehall. Who not see that yet, me don't know when them go see it. But believe me when me tell you say, Gaza are the definition of bad mind and corruption in a dancehall. Believe.
Yeah, man. I say, go man, I one of them thing there, but we have a brother for make you hear what I say some bagger thing, people. You understand? So, I have to make you hear what I go on. You see me, because the man want take Vanessa life, or the man want Cartel take Vanessa life. Yo, me I tell you, from Cartel come from prison, people, I don't know. The place just come like some corruption, some hold down thing, or based on the artists, them, this up the artists, them, everybody, they want to carry down the culture, the whole of the artists, them for one man. But wait, man, everything are going to make sense soon. But pre-David there, people. Yeah, man.
Hey, this is some of the youth who say Gaza supporter and Gaza flagger dog. Some of them really make you look bad from Cartel out of that. Me I tell you the truth, dog. And as a Gaza fan myself, bro, Cartel need to come out and distance himself from some of them to post the crap. Because, yo, you can't mean the man no good with some of the things that I see on post and accept on the media, bro. Me see a youth say Vibes Cartel should have unalive Gaza Slim, Vanessa Bling, because she corrupt, because she perform a Masicka show. What kind of fuckery that, bro? Yo, how the fuck? Only can mean Cartel any good by saying some of them fuckery, my lad. Them shit that make no sense. Only for say only is our fans. I wanna post them bumbleclad fuckery and comment them fuckery the dog. What kind of fuckery that and people under their comment and support them kind of narrative there? Yo, that is some fuckery, bro. Una no sense, bro. Una make the artist look bad. Una make the artist look bad, and Cartel need to come out and distance himself from some of una. Because some of una going like una no fucking sense. Una no sense. Una is not no fans. Una a fucking idiot. Some of una idiot, bro. And calling themselves Gaza fans. All because the woman go perform a Masicka show. Una gonna say, yo, the man should have analyze. What kind of, what kind of fuck? Una sick in her, bro? That is some sick shit for somebody to say, bro, if you're a woman. Because the woman go perform at on a rival concert, as you want to call it. Yo, una sick, bro. Some of you for go, some of you mean Vibes Cartel any good, bro. How can you mean somebody good by saying some kind of fucker like that and put the narrative there out there? When you see the man the 13 year of jail, when you see what the man the 13 year of jail for, and you go put them kind of narrative there out there and people are go comment under that and support them kind of fucker there, bro. And this is why people, if you don't continue with them fuckery, dog, you just make the man camp and him brand look bad. You know, make the man camp and him brand look bad by saying them fuckery, dog, and put out them fuckery. And people who really support cartel and mean cartel in the good, bro, you need to come out and tell them people have to go one side. Because them people and the mean the man a good, dog. Yo, you know, say tell I God Almighty truth, you know, bro. Me is a die-hearted Gaza fans. And me no see blood clot the woman them out there go. I go on like how me see some of man a go on, you know, dog. Yo, unu man a go on. No, dog. Some of unu need to check on yourself, dog, because the way me see some of unu go hard for this thing, dog. Me no see unu go so hard for unu woman and unu picnic them in my lad. Some of unu for go one side, bro. Some of unu mean the man no good. Unu cannot mean this man no good by saying them fuckery, bro. And me no support them fuckery, dog. Them thing they are fuckery. How can they come out and post a thing like that about the girl? Because the girl perform on a rival. Mr. Cartel, Mr. Winford himself asked Cartel about Gaza Slim and Gaza Kim. And the man have nothing negative to say about them. And uno as a fans come out, say uno a fan. Me never call uno fans, uno no blood clot fans, uno can't be fans. And I thought them foolish there. After I want to see what the man go through, the man spent 13 years of prison, all time life. And the man come and tell him, say, yo, certain things him not depend. The man depend on different meds, and they come like, you don't want the man go back in at that era there, you don't want the man go back in at. Where, you know, at that era there, we all know we're going at, you know, back in 2008, 2009, and them time there. It come like at them era there, them narrative they want to push dog, I be a fucker and push dog. And only just make it look bad upon the whole Gaza movement out there, bro, because I be a fucker and portray dog in the media, bro. Be a fucker, and people need to stop, people around the man. Cartel camp need to come out and distance himself from someone on that, because someone on chat be a fucker. And I talk about say you not support the man, dog. When you not support the man, bird, when you not support the man, dog, and I put out them kind of fucker narrative, your dog. What kind of person you be, dog? If you say somebody, if you analyze somebody because them a support another musical rival, we not even know what kind of issue the man them have. How we not gonna feel if 2 weeks from now or tomorrow when you get up and see Cartel and Masicka take a picture? Look what Cartel and Movada go through. Look what Cartel and Movada go through, and the two of them are headline show right now. And I make money and I get rich. And only they out there are exalting themselves and they'll be a fuckery. After this, my lord, do not take this thing too serious, bro. Somehow not take this music thing too fucking serious, my lord. At the end of the day, a music we love, bro. Everyone have them choice. If a man put out a music and a man like his music, a theme choice that, bro. You don't go like you don't want blood clot control people and tell people what to say or what to do. Brother, you can't do that, bro. I fuck with that, bro. Everybody have them choice, bro. It's music. Everybody have them choice. Everybody got support who they want to support, bro. You can't come out and push beer like you don't want to push badness on the people them and this and them. I fuck with not doing that. Because push come to serve, you know, someone not getting yourself in a problem, you know. You think blood clot, you don't think Cartel like look down for bail, you know. You think Cartel like put himself in a problem for someone, you know. Someone for go dog, someone not some waste man dog, and then not gonna talk about yo. You're not Gaza because you support. Man, come on, for go suck on the mother and go dog. Someone not waste man. And the sad part about this dog, I be a man. Me not see the girl them a go and suck. Me tell the children of Cartel, you need, boy, me no know for it. Boy, I saw 150 like you make some man go on. You lie on them, wanna get. Yo, general, you better you start give some of them woman, yeah. Some of the lie on them dog, because yo, them man dog, me not them man away. Say them I represent Gaza and I support Gaza. I be a fucker them a do my lord. Me I tell you, and me I talk as a fans, bro. Them man I support be a fucker out here. Stop give them some lion dog, and if you stop support them dog, because them no mean you no good, bro. Them boy you no mean you no good. I be a blood clot. Negative. Them a push. And badness and them thing the dog. You don't tell them say yo you know depend that already. I be a fuckery man them out there push that. Better you go support some other people. Go support some of the girl them dog. You see me? Support enough girl out there me see where say Gaza. I mean I see them a go on like how them money a go on dog. All because Vanessa Bling perform a Masicka show. Bro, no, like the man them say dog, a man no love dog, and a music no love. A man no love someone a batty man. And a real talk. And it a come to fruition dog, someone a fish. Someone a lone fish, bro. You can't say you love music dog. And I say them fuckery dog. But the Empress, bro. Me is a Gaza fans, and me have Vanessa Bling a big artist. She a big artist. Big artist, and me will never, regardless of what cartel and the girl have, me will never hate the girl. Me will never hate her. Because me is a fan of music. And that girl do great music. And she have a powerful voice. She have a powerful voice. So for me, if I come out there as a Gaza fans and say, yo, me for disrespect the woman because the woman go perform and show Masicka strength. Brother, who know? You can't tell people if you choose. Brother, someone of a go, dog. Someone of a go, bro. You not go too hard on this shit, dog, and you need to stop it, bro. Because all you know that make the man camp look bad and the man brand look bad, bro. You see me? I be a fucker in our chat, dog. Be a fucker. Me see another vlogger, you know, bro. Come out, you know, couple months ago, you know. And say, yo, Bounty Killer, say some. My name vlogger repeat some of the things that the man say about Bounty Killer, you know, bro. You see me? You have to come out and say them things that, bro, about an individual, bro. You don't know nothing about the man life, dog. You not even know the man personal, bro. That is crazy, bro. Someone need to fix this thing up, dog, and teach her. You need to distance some of them boy, dog, and you need to put them in them place. Them don't mean you're no good. Them don't mean you're no good, bro. Them man don't mean you're no good and you can't no good. Believe.